final day of the Kyle Petty Charity Ride 2026. We're in Asheville, North Carolina. We're going to end the day in Charlotte Motor Speedway. But in between, we've got to stop at the most special place on earth, Victory Junction Camp.
But I'll tell you, every morning I've been proud because we talk about we're riding for the kids, right? That's what it's been about. And I want to take for the kids just a step deeper for you all this morning. And so when we talk about for the kids, for me, for folks that have been dealt a bad hand at life, right? Camp is for people that can't go somewhere else for an opportunity to socialize, an opportunity to recreate. It's for kids to just be a kid. And that's what this is all about, is giving kids a chance to just be a kid. And I'm proud to be the bus driver of this camp right now, right? And I'm proud to be associated with the Kyle Petty Charity Ride. It is one of my life's true blessings to be a part of this ride and to be able to welcome you home to Victory Junction today. So thank each and every one of you for what you've done to support our kids and to bring joy and belonging to each of those kids. Because that's what being a kid's all about, is to find joy and belonging. And you guys are making that happen for our campers, so thank you.
We had something happen, we raised our hand. We said, anybody want to help us? And people got in line. And people still come out. You see it at the fuel stops, you see it places we go. People still come out and want to be a part of it and want to support it. And so for me, I can never thank y'all enough. I can never, ever, ever thank all of you guys. I can never thank the parents enough for allowing their kids to come. I've said it a million times. We built this place, got kind of cocky and arrogant, and stood back and said, look what we built. And then the kids came, and I never saw a building again. I never saw a building again. I just saw the kids. I just saw the kids running around. I just saw the kids in the pool, doing arts and crafts, catching fish. You just see the kids, and that's what it's all about. When the kids are here, it has a life. It has a life of its own. And when the kids are here, and I say it, and I get emotional. So, for me, I'm here, I come back and touch out. And he never put a foot in this place. But when they're here, he's here. Oh my gosh. You know, this is the second time there's been a Kyle Petty Day in Randleman. First time was when I left town.
So This is my first time at camp, and I was so impressed just pulling in here. I was like, this is like pulling into Disneyland. It's so colorful and bright. You could not be not smiling just pulling in here. And then seeing this place, coming over and checking out the water park that we're all a part of. This is my third Kyle Petty ride and my first time to the camp. And the impression that this place is leaving, I can't wait to do 20 more Kyle Petty rides to help them raise more money for this camp and for this great place. It's just so cool.
I want a fair start.
Yeah.
Don't cut this.